she did this thing here, and she built it on a paper that we're gonna fire it on. I says, we gotta move that to the kiln.
Spatula.
Well, that's what she said. I says, why don't we take another piece of clear glass, put it underneath your paper on top of paper inside the kiln, so they're not gonna touch anything. And when that piece of glass come out, the edges were rounded.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, so it fire polished it for you.
Okay.
Yep. And you probably picked up the texture of the paper on the clear glass then as well.
Yeah, I think we did.
Something else you can do is on your grinder, take the glass and just kind of lightly scuff the edge of it, front and back of it, not laying it flat, but tipped at an angle, and like on the corners.
Okay.
Yeah. And that way it'll soften it. And when you slump it, it'll help polish it a little bit.
Right.
It's not going to be a total fire polish, but it puts a little bit of a shine back on it for you, and that way you don't have to worry about the points that way either. But they have diamond pads, handheld. Okay, this is 120 grit, and it's a diamond pad, so that you could take it, get your glass wet, get this wet, and kind of go about that much, and it's enough to get
Just
rid of
take
the
it
point.
out.
Yeah, and it doesn't ruin the edge like a grinding wheel does. You know, they come in different grits as well,
Right.
but I use those quite a bit too.
Okay.
Yeah, again, cold working.
Right, right.
Yeah. They have those up into the thousands so that you could polish.
Yeah.
That's why they have kilns, so you can fire polish them, man. Not,
Talk about this fire polish. I don't think I've heard
okay,
that.
fire polish is where you're just going to put a smooth, shiny edge. Okay. Okay, this one. Feel the corners on it. They're sharp points. Not going to cut and draw blood, but close to it. Okay, that's the laminating or tacking fusing program. You know, so that it goes to the 1325. It sticks the glass together, and it puts a little bit of a shine on the edge for you then. Okay, so that when you cut a piece of glass, you know, and you grind a piece of glass, it's got that. You can see your score marks on it. You can see the ground edge on it. You go to 1345 range, and it's going to polish it more, make it shiny, make it smooth, and you're not going to cut your fingers on it. So that's you're just polishing it up.
And you said you hold it or no?
Yeah, I hold it for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
That works for me. Yeah, and usually when I do that, I mean, I'll put that into a program, and then I'll take it up to a higher temp for like maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes or something like that, just to soften the top layer pieces of glass a little bit more, you know, so that, you know, it'll flatten it just a little bit, but not a whole bunch.